Good morning everyone. It's me Sulabh Chaurasia from Marigold Secondary School and I am from the class 9. I am very glad that I got a golden opportunity to speak some words in front of you all, and for this giving opportunity I would like to especially thank our Ramesh sir who had given us golden opportunity to speak some words to express our views towards our money. Money is the most important thing in the life. We cannot say that money is everything. Money is also everything and money is not everything, because money is a part of our life. Yes, we earn money. We earn money by doing hard labor. We are doing various type of work that helps to earn the money. In this world, education is also required, but for the education we need money. We need a higher level of education. We need money. If we are saying if you are taking the example of government school provides the education in the free of cost, but we need to buy the copy and the pencil, which cannot be provided by every government school. Nobody government school is providing pencil, cutter, eraser, scale, copy, everything it wants for the education. And if we will not have the money, then how we will get the education? This is my first question to my opponent team. And we can say that money is the most important thing, because money is established first, invented first, because in the Nepal education when come after the money, because money was invented during the 600 BC. Yes, in Nepal we can say that there are a lot of educated person who are migrating to other country. Why? Because they are not getting the better facility due to lack of the money. In the Nepal there were a lot of water resources from which we can take out a lot of electricity, through which we can earn the country, which we can increase the country economic level. But why we are not able to take out the electricity from the water? Due to the money. For this, money is also required. And my opponent team friends had said that money helps to buy the weapons. Why money helps to buy the weapons? For the development, not for the war. Why we need the weapons? Why we need the weapons? We need a weapon to destroy the peace of the country. Education is not everything. Money we want. If we want to develop our country, Nepal is not a most developed country. It is the developing country nowadays, but we can develop it by the money. Why Nepal is still not developed? Because its per capita income is very less. We can say that the Nepal economic level is 65.9%, but we can say that there is education level is 65.9%. But what is the percentage of the economic level? Why we are not developing our country? This is the main reason. And I want to ask with my opponent team member, why education brings the whiteness in the darkness? Yes, education is not everything, because for being a white, for being a most respected person, we need a money. Yes, we can take the example of the most richest person, Tata Birla, Mukesh Ambani, Vinod Chaudhary. They are the most richest person of the world. They are getting a lot of respect which any common people cannot get. They are written, their name is also written in the history books also. Why? Because they have a lot of money. If we have a education, I know that education is very required, but everyone is sitting who is sitting over here, they were also studying by getting the help of money. If we will not have the money, then how we will get the education? Just this statement is also said by the greatest poet, one of the greatest poets of the world, Robert Frost, has said that money helps to bring the respect to the people. Yes, if we don't have a money, we will not get the respect with anybody, because money helps to take the respect. It develops our personality. Yes, we can say that this is the period of the festival time. Yes, festival time, and we are saying that festival time is the most better time for us. Why? Because we have a money. But those persons who don't have a money, they used to say that why the festival used to come? Because festival used to come. Why they used to scold the festivals? Because they don't have a money. They have also a child. They also wants every desire. They also wants every requirements which we are spending very